Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Darker Gaming, and I will be bringing a different video today. And it is going to be Magic: The Gathering, which is pretty cool. So here's my deck right here, which contains my light kind of cards. Yeah. So pretty much it's an angel deck. Pretty nice. Pretty cool. Right here. And wait, is there another card in there? Hope not. Nope. Empty. So this is my angel deck right here. This is my first deck ever bought, which is pretty cool. And on top of that, I got some boosters with it. It came with some boosters. And so I bought some card protectors right here. And these are where I keep them. So today, we got tips from work. So I decided to buy something bigger. That. The Deck Builder Toolkit of Magic: The Gathering. 285 cards in the top right, or top left, my right, technically. And then I also bought some deck sleeves for my cards. So let's actually take this open. So, boom, there we go. So when you open it, you pop it like this, open, boom, there's your card. So I'm actually going to start with these booster packs. These booster packs, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Really cool. And what we're going to do, we're going to open this, but I want to do it very carefully. Carefully where I don't mess it up. I'm going to take a paring knife. If you don't know what a paring knife is, it's for paring things. And I'm going to tear it open. Trying to not damage the cards or anything inside. Okay, so opened it up. Boom. Plastic front, still pretty cool. And then I have the cards right here, which pretty nice. Wait, do I see a hologram? Yeah, I do. Very nice. Really nice. Holographical card. Give me that one. Boom. Next one. There, got the top off. No cards are damaged. Boom. Hold it out. And this one contains more different varieties, more red and blues and greens. And I don't think there's a shiny in this one. No. There is not a holographic in this one. That was pretty cool. So I'll put that right here. And then I'm going to open the next two. Down to it. So I'll be actually right back. I'm going to go get scissors, but I'm going to end it here. See you guys in the next video, and thanks, and stay tuned for my